when I think about UAE, it's like my second home, and I love the freedom and the people and the hospitality what they show to us. So now it's just become my first home.
I love UAE as a way it is because as a girl I'm just 21 and I have an amazing job, so I am financially dependent and I also have a freedom for that. So I just love the UAE as the way it is.
Well, there's a lot of things to love about the UAE, but one thing I like in particular is the progress that the country has made so far. So if you look at where the country was several years ago and where it is right now, it's made remarkable progress. And that, is proof that UAE keeps the future in mind all the time.
Things I like about UAE is the lifestyle, the work culture, the ease of things. I think whoever comes to UAE falls in love with UAE.
Everything is so organized that we don't really need to wait for it.
And everything is very easy here. I'm so happy and I love this country more than anything.
It makes you feel at home and there's no discrimination and there's always love and safety everywhere. So I never feel like going back to where I belong. This is where I belong.
Happy UAE National Day.